This
How
ball.
about some? How about some the hedgehog?
We go there.
Okay, we go. So this.
Let's go.
No! Wait, done. What's the hedgehog?
Okay, guys. Wait, no. Let's pause
My turn,
this
my
and
turn now.
restart.
My turn, look. I know how to play again.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna play. And this time we're gonna do this again. It's going to be horrible. And doesn't make like that damage before that we did. Let's do that again. Okay, guys.
Let's do the. It's not working there. What's the hedgehog?
Oh, bruh. What did we just do? Come on. Wait, let's try going back. That doesn't work either. We have to pause and restart like again. Like again I said. If you do that, this is what happens. No, wait, don't do it. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go 3, 2, 1, go. But do not hit the cones at all. Just to tell you that.